Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will take you on a journey to explore the cultural festivals around the world. From vibrant parades to colorful celebrations, these festivals showcase the rich traditions and diverse cultures of our global community. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. Carnival in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Carnival is a vibrant and extravagant festival known for its elaborate parades, samba music, and colorful costumes. It is a celebration of joy, music, dance, and cultural pride that takes place in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The festival lasts for several days leading up to Lent, with the main events taking place in the Sambadrome, a purpose-built parade area. Each year, samba schools compete with elaborate floats, intricate costumes, and synchronized dance routines. Holi Festival in India. Holi, also known as the Festival of Colors, is a joyous celebration that marks the arrival of spring. It is one of the most vibrant and exuberant festivals in India and is celebrated with great enthusiasm across the country. The festival typically takes place in March and involves people throwing colored powders and water at each other, creating a vibrant and playful atmosphere. Holi is a symbol of unity, as people of all ages and backgrounds join in the festivities, forgetting social barriers and embracing the spirit of togetherness. Lantern Festival in Taiwan. The Lantern Festival is a traditional Chinese festival held on the 15th day of the Lunar New Year. It is a time when families come together to release lanterns into the sky, creating a beautiful spectacle and symbolizing the letting go of the past. The festival has a rich history and is celebrated with various activities, including lantern displays, parades, and performances. Lanterns of different shapes, sizes, and colors are crafted and lit up, illuminating the night sky. Diwali Festival in India. Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights, is one of the most important festivals in India. It is a 5-day celebration that signifies the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Diwali is celebrated with great enthusiasm and involves various rituals and traditions. Homes are decorated with oil lamps, candles, and colorful lights to symbolize the triumph of light over darkness. Families share gifts and sweets as fireworks light up the night sky. Diwali is a time for prayer, reflection, and spending time with loved ones. Oktoberfest in Munich, Germany. Oktoberfest is the largest beer festival in the world, held each year in Munich, Germany. It is a celebration of Bavarian culture and customs, drawing millions of tourists from all over the world. The festival lasts around 2 weeks, beginning in late September and concluding in early October. Oktoberfest is famous for its energetic atmosphere, traditional music, and of course, beer. Visitors can sample a wide range of German food, take part in parades, and enjoy the friendly hospitality of the inhabitants. Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year, also known as Spring Festival, is a significant traditional holiday in China. It is celebrated on the first day of the lunar calendar, which usually falls between January 21 and February 20. The festival is marked by various customs and traditions, including family gatherings, feasts, fireworks, and the exchange of red envelopes containing money. It is a time for people to honor their ancestors, ward off evil spirits, and welcome good luck and prosperity for the coming year. Mardi Gras in New Orleans. Mardi Gras is a lively and colorful festival celebrated in New Orleans, Louisiana. It is known for its vibrant parades featuring floats, marching bands, and costume participants. The festival is characterized by its vibrant colors, masks, beads, and lively music. Mardi Gras is a time to let loose, enjoy live music, and immerse oneself in the unique culture of Louisiana. The festival has deep historical roots and is associated with the Catholic tradition of indulgence before the fasting period of Lent. Day of the Dead in Mexico. Day of the Dead, or Dia de los Muertos, is a vibrant and meaningful festival celebrated in Mexico. It is a time to honor deceased loved ones and celebrate the continuity of life and death. The festival typically takes place from October 31st to November 2nd and involves various rituals and traditions. Families create altars, known as ofrendas, adorned with photographs, candles, flowers, and the favorite foods and drinks of the departed. These altars are meant to welcome the spirits of the deceased back to the world of the living. Day of the Dead is a time of remembrance, reflection, and celebration. It is a unique cultural experience that showcases the rich traditions, art, and spirituality of Mexico. La Tomatina in Bunal, Spain. La Tomatina is a unique festival held in Bunal, Spain, where participants engage in a massive tomato fight. It is a fun and messy experience that attracts people from all over the world. The festival takes place on the last Wednesday of August and involves thousands of people throwing ripe tomatoes at each other in the streets. The origins of La Tomatina are unclear, but it has become a popular event that brings people together for a day of lighthearted fun and camaraderie. Participants wear old clothes and goggles to protect themselves from the tomato pulp. After the tomato fight, the streets are washed down, and the festival continues with music, dancing, and feasting. Rioja Wine Harvest Festival in Spain. The Rioja Wine Harvest Festival is an annual event held in the Rioja region of Spain. It celebrates the grape harvest and the winemaking traditions of the region. The festival includes wine tastings, grape stomping, traditional music and dance performances, and a variety of cultural activities. It is a time to appreciate the rich history and craftsmanship behind the production of Rioja wines. The festival showcases the cultural significance of wine in Spain and highlights the beauty of the Rioja region. Visitors have the opportunity to learn about the winemaking process, sample a wide range of wines. These cultural festivals provide a wonderful opportunity to immerse oneself in different traditions, customs, and the vibrant spirit of diverse cultures. They offer a chance to celebrate, connect with others, and create lasting memories while appreciating the beauty and diversity of our global community. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.